assault and false imprisonment based on the fact that they chased Aubrey with pickup trucks, and then Travis McMichael was actually the one who killed him with a shotgun. Now, key to the state's case has been graphic cell phone video that shows Aubrey cornered by the trucks, and then he fights back when Travis McMichael draws the shotgun on him and shoots him at close range.
So the three defendants are on trial together. What did each of their lawyers argue today?
I'll start with the McMichaels attorneys. They argue that these men were trying to make a citizen's arrest because they suspected Aubrey in neighborhood break-ins. They say they were justified because the neighborhood saw Aubrey as this recurring nighttime intruder who had been caught creeping around on a home construction site by some surveillance video. They portray this neighborhood in fear. And when Greg McMichael saw Aubrey running down
Somebody
the
asked
street,
the neighborhood?
the lawyers say, he thought Aubrey was running away from a crime, so he ran and got his son Travis. They got their guns and they gave chase. Attorney Jason Sheffield, who represents Travis,
And they thought that he was that because he was black, so
his
racism.
client acted in self-defense.
And Travis is thinking, if this guy gets a hold of my shotgun, this is not going to end well. He's going to end up with the shotgun and kill me.
Now, Greg McMichael's lawyer, Laura Hoeb, was more direct in placing blame on Aubrey for what happened.
He died because for whatever inexplicable, illogical reason, instead of staying where he was, he chose to fight. He chose to fight.
The lawyer
For his
the
life?
third defendant,
Inexplicably
Rodney
chose to
Bryan,
defend
who
his
recorded
life?
The cell phone video, as I said, argued that there was no way.
Maybe it can be explained to you as a white supremacist thinking that black lives don't matter.
Kill Aubrey, and that he could do nothing to stop it. Attorney Kevin Goff very much tried to separate Bryan from any sort of vigilante activity to protect the neighborhood.
Well, how are prosecutors refuting those arguments from the defense?
By arguing that you can't be the aggressor and then turn around and claim self-defense. Here's Linda Dobbs.
I don't know, Kyle seemed to have done it.
Who took the shotgun out of the car? Who pointed the shotgun? The guy's running. Running away from them for 5 minutes.
Okay, so that was the prosecution. What happens next?
Domikoski has a couple of hours of rebuttal first thing tomorrow morning, and then after that the judge will instruct jurors on the law. And there's some very complicated legal issues here. For one, what's justifiable under the citizen's arrest law at the time? The legislature has since changed that law after Aubrey was killed. Then it's up to the nearly all-white jury to deliberate, and, you know, remember, Ari, there's no way to predict how long that could take.
NPR's Debbie Elliott in Brunswick, Georgia. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No fifth wave of coronavirus infections.